Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Some of the leaders of the TMC were here. So yesterday there was this news that after they took the statement from Ba Preston Tinsang, they shift the story to a part where I was talking to Ba George from TMC. So let me be very clear, I have also talked to all the people who came here. I have talked to the people who I have never seen in my life. I've talked to the people who came from every nook and corner. There are more than 30 groups of people who have come forward to help us. How can that be a political issue? And it's not just the TMC have come, the BJP has also come, Ba'il Haq has come, Ba'il Haq is also from the government. Then Bharat Adalbat has also come. He belongs to the KNAM. So how can you say that this is a political issue? Now let me come to the people that we also want to meet. So today morning we also met with Ba HM Sampliang. And Ba HM Sampliang is also one who has been very vocal about the issues of the teachers. So he came in support, not as a politician, but he came in support as a person with a heart and a soul. Now let's come to the people that I actually want them to come here. I will name them. Number one, I want Kong Ampareen Lingdo to please come here. Understand us. See, for the last 4 days and a half we have been here. Why I want Kong Ampareen to come here is because Kong Ampareen has been the HOD of the mass media department in St. Anthony's College. So she has been a teacher and now she is in the government. I want her to come here to understand the plight